So we have someone here with hair around mid-length. And the stylist switches things up to this beautiful bob. I love the color in this, how she has the darker roots going there at the top, and then it moves into the blonde hue. This is a very popular color trend that you can try out this season. Very cute, modern bob style. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have another long, semi-long to bob transformation. So if you're looking for like a new way to shake up your hair, a bob is a great style to try out. Most of the time it will give you a thicker appearance to your hair, so it's great for that added volume. There's also a lot of variety when it comes to bobs these days. A lot of different shapes and textures you can try out. This one kind of gives off that butterfly bob style with the layered bangs going there in the front. This also adds a lot of volume to the hair as well. So here we have a full-on long to bob transformation. So she has hair around mid-back length or so. She also has the natural blonde hair going on. Blonde is a great color option if you want to try a shade in between blonde and brunette. It looks like she has that going naturally. The stylist places the hair into ponytails and cuts that hair off into a bob. He also frames this bob off beautifully with some bangs going there in the front. This is so cute. So next up, we have a color change. So it looks like she does have a grown out bob and she's in need of a cut refresh. Stylist mixes things up with the color. Looks like she's getting more of like a mini bob haircut here. Very popular hairstyle we're seeing in 2024. She also got like a very nice ombre reddish tone bob here for the color. This is really pretty. Gorgeous. The stylist mixes in some waves for that tousled effect. Very cute. So here we have someone, wow, she has got some long waist-length hair. 2 ponytails, each side is cut. Stylist then goes in and adds some color. The hair is cut even shorter. And we get a nice, beautiful bob with a money piece, blonde highlights going in the front. This is so cute, a very fashion-forward, edgy style. So here we have someone, it looks like her hair is around shoulder length. Stylist cuts the hair shorter, doing more of a bob. Beautiful, nice, simple, classic bob. She's got some beautiful feathered volume going here. Gorgeous. So here we have someone with long mid-back length hair. Stylist does a bob here, around shoulder length. Mixes in some color. Ooh, wow, absolutely beautiful. I love the way that color came out. Beautiful highlights to frame out her face, and he did a bit of a flip under curl here. Very pretty. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.